In this video, I will share with you what are the best things you can do after a relapse so you can immediately feel better about yourself. Let's begin at the second right after you have relapsed. You're lying down with your computer open with who knows what on the screen, you are all dirty and you feel terrible about yourself. I bet that at this point you have wondered about what you can do to immediately feel better. Here are 5 pieces of advice to try immediately after a relapse. First of all, and most importantly, be kind with yourself. Mistakes happen and relapses are part of the process. Don't be hard on yourself because it won't help you at all. Instead, recognize that setbacks are part of any worthwhile achievement, and that's fine. I know it's tempting to be hard on yourself because you relapsed, but be careful with your own self-judgment because it's the one that matters the most. A good piece of advice is to never say to yourself anything that you won't say to someone you love to their face. Don't overtly criticize yourself because it can turn into a habit and this will lead you to a dark place in life. Brother, it's okay if you relapse. I relapsed multiple times when I wanted to quit adult content. The key is to never give up and persevere despite difficulties. Second, delete your browser's history and ideally any bookmarks you have to your favorite adult content. This shows commitment. This shows you are not interested in keeping adult content in your life. Also, it's very likely that most of your relapses occur because you had easy access to your favorite adult content. By deleting your browser's history, favorites, bookmarks, etc., you're making future relapses way harder. I know this may sound repetitive, but it's for your own good. I would highly suggest you use the pain of your relapses, those horrible feelings of anger, disappointment, and despair, to fuel you to delete social media. Ideally, you could delete your accounts because simply deleting the apps from your phone is not enough. But if you find that it works for you, then go ahead, but do something about all those social media triggers. Third, take a good shower, clean up your hair, face, and wash your whole body. Not only will you feel better after a shower, but your mind will also feel lighter. The mind-body connection is very real, and that's why cleaning your body after relapsing will also make you feel better internally. Play some uplifting music while you shower to elevate your mood. You can also take a bubble bath with Epsom salts and lavender essential oil to relax yourself and clean up your mind. Fourth, educate yourself after taking a shower. It's sad to see how many people think that NoFap isn't real or doesn't work, or worse, that it's pseudoscience. Unfortunately and evidently, the people talking about this are ignorant of the fact that adult content literally reshapes your brain's structure. The fact that they are ignorant and don't know the truth doesn't mean that their opinions are right. In fact, most of the times, their opinions on NoFap are the complete opposite of the truth. I wanted to make this clarification because you should be very selective with your sources of information. When it comes to NoFap and adult content addiction, my favorite source of information is the great Gary Wilson. The next time you relapse, I highly suggest you watch any of his videos. He has a YouTube channel called Your Brain on Porn, and I highly suggest you educate yourself with this information, not with the bro science many guys spread on the internet. Gary is also the author of the book Your Brain on Porn, which I also highly suggest you read. This information will help you stay away from adult content over the long term. Fifth, install an adult content blocker in all your devices. What makes adult content almost impossible to quit is that it's super easy to access. That's why I strongly believe that you need a porn blocker to make your life easier. My personal favorite adult content blocker is Covenant Eyes. Covenant Eyes is the leading porn blocker in the world and has helped millions of men overcome their addiction to adult content. Fortunately for you, I've partnered with Covenant Eyes and you can try it for absolutely free. Simply click the link in the description and use the promo code IMPROVEMENT to get a 30-day free trial to Covenant Eyes. By the way, if you would like to improve your self-discipline to stay away from adult content, today I want to give you for absolutely free my affirmations for self-discipline. They will help you become more disciplined without effort. In addition, you will also get access to my exclusive video on the top 10 tips to quit adult content forever. You can get both of these free gifts by simply clicking the link below this video, brother. Enjoy!